Yo, free online money maker. Happy Cash Out Fridays. All right, people, happy Cash Out Fridays. I hope y'all grinding out there every single day. You know my channel is about proof, facts, results. All right, don't be lazy out there. Do not rely on your 9 to 5. Do not rely on your 9 to 5. I'm telling you, people, 3 years ago, I changed my life. I just started making $1 a day every single day. I just started making $1 every single day. I never made no type of extra income other than my 9 to 5. So little by little, you just start learning and you start knowing what's a better decision to be making. All right, like on your spare time, you should be trying to create some stream of income for yourself and your family. All right, something, anything. It's something you're passionate about, something you're not passionate about. It doesn't even matter. As long as you're creating some type of stream of income where you could take that and then invest into yourself, into your business, into whatever you want to do. All right, people, stay focused and continue grinding. All right, people, this video right here is going to be $44 cash out, InstaGc, super easy way you can just watch videos all day and just rack up on points, people. So I show you different ways all the time. Watch my different tutorials. All right, I have different tutorials that show you different in-depth details. All right, this is going to be an InstaGc full breakdown tutorial. All right, and why I use InstaGc. All right, so let's just dive straight into it, people. I shout out to the online team too, people. I see y'all grinding out here. Just continue to be relentless. You have to be relentless. All right, if you're earning every single day, all right, before I just go into this tutorial, if you're earning every single day using the sites I use, continue to earn. Why? Because I'm gonna show you different ways. Well, I'm already showing you different ways. It's up to you if you want to take it or not. But I'm gonna continue showing you different ways that you could share your link and you could get referrals. You see what I'm saying? But the thing is, you're gonna have to be steady with it. It's gonna have to be an everyday thing. And then one day, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months later, you're gonna have so many referrals active. Then you're gonna start seeing some type of income coming. All right, people. So like I said, I'm really trying to help my team out there. I start everything from 100% free, so you could really grind and really get it. All right, you can really get it. There's no excuse, people. Started from zero. Look at my channel now. All right, people. So let's go to InstaGc right now. All right, super easy, people. Super easy. All right, look. First thing I'm gonna do is let me claim my bonus. All right, I'm gonna claim my bonus right here. Go to claim. My bonuses probably got washed out because I didn't even claim any bonuses for a while. But it does say claim, so I gotta have at least one in there. Oh, okay, I got a couple of bonuses. That's 2 pages of bonuses. Okay. So these are a couple bonus points right here. All right, all these ones I claimed past month. I'm gonna claim this one. Not even a penny. That's crazy. Oh, it is a penny. That is a penny. That's crazy. All right. Well, I'll take that. See up here, it's gonna move. Once it finishes claims. All right, so claim that right there. All right, then that was 0.1. That was like right here, 0.97, 0.98. That's crazy. Hey, but like I said, it's free income. All right, now these are all the bonuses I claimed before. All right, now if you use this every single day, you're gonna have every single day. You're gonna have bonuses. If you use this every single day, you're gonna have every single day of bonuses. All right. So you want to always make sure you're using your sites every single day. Do not use them only on the weekends. Do not use them. You could fit it in your schedule. It's 24 hours in a day. You sleep for 8 hours. All right. You got another 16. You probably got to go to work for 10. Right. You got another 6. Right. So you got 6 hours. I know you have to spend time with the family and all that, but you have to find a way to put 20 minutes, an hour in anytime you could get every single day. Then you're going to start seeing results and it's going to start snowballing. All right. So now right here, I'm going to go to my, let's go to earn. I'm going to earn. It's going to be easiest way, people. Easiest way. All you got to do is come here and watch ads, people. Look, this desktop display, just click right here. And it's going to be a video that's going to pop up and it's going to just play. All right. Let me just mute this so that I don't get in trouble by YouTube, just in case they say something here. Yeah, that's it. And you just let this run as long as you can. Just let it run. When it gets to like 50 or 100, you're gonna have to like start it over. You have to refresh it or whatever. You have to. It's gonna say, do you want to continue or something like that? And you just click it. Look, people, and you just continue. Wait, people, I show you free ways that you can earn every single day, people. It's really on you on an every single day basis, all right? You can leave here and watch this, let this run. All right, people. Now, when you're doing this, you can let this run in one tab. You could duplicate right here. You duplicate your screen right here. Another screen is gonna open. Don't play it twice, though. Do not play it twice, okay? Because it will lock you out if you play it twice. You just want to duplicate your screen, and then you could do other things right here. See what I'm saying? Don't play it twice, though, where you have it going twice on both screens. And then you'd have to put this in. All right, you're gonna drop this into a whole new window. This is a tab, obviously. You're gonna drop this into a whole new window by itself, and then you're gonna bring this one down. All right, people. So right here, let me just go to here we go. All right, so now you see that's playing right here. I'm over here. You're gonna want to put this into a separate window, and then you're gonna come in a separate window and open this one. All right, I don't want to do all that right now because my computer's so slow. I got like 100 windows open, and it's gonna take so long to load. All right, so yeah. So now so now on my other page, you got the videos watching here. You come here. You're gonna come to your You're gonna come here to your See what I'm talking about? Got to load up sometimes. So just give it a couple seconds. Now you're gonna come here and you're gonna go to your you're gonna go to your redeem. You got redeem, you got promote, and you got compete. All right, compete is like a sports thing. It's pretty cool. Just look at it. You'll see what I'm talking about. Decimal point, decimal pot is where you could you see what you see right here where you got right here. I got 4,463 points. Right here. As soon as it says 0.98, you could put this 0.98 and make a jackpot contribute. All right, you can contribute your 98 cents, and then they put it all in a pot. Everybody contributes, and then at the end of the day, they get a random winner, and then the winner wins everybody's pot that they put in there. It's not even a penny, but you know, people just do it, and then it adds up. So it'll probably be like $10 or $20 or something like that. It's pretty cool. Right here, you go to promote. You got your referral link right here. You got your banners and your pages, all right? And then you got your referrals right here, people. I'm telling you, just take your time. Start earning first, then start posting. Every time you earn something, post it. You see what I'm saying? Start posting. Or you don't even have to post it yet. If you want to keep it, just take a picture of it, take a screenshot, and just keep it in the archives. Now you can start building. You know what I'm saying? You start building your content. All right. Let me go to, let me show you the tutorial. All right, we're gonna go to recommended. This is watch videos. You go to watch videos or watch videos. Here you're gonna come in. You have so many different platforms that you can use. All right, all these are survey providers and offer providers, ads. You can watch ads. You can watch videos. All right, now you want to come in here and you want to be literally like almost like methodical. All right, now when you come here, you're gonna watch your videos here. Right now, you're gonna go to Hideout TV. You're gonna open this up in another window. Listening, you're gonna open Hideout TV in another window. It's the same thing as basically as watch videos. You're just running videos. Set that account up. When you go to Hideout TV, they're gonna ask you to set up an account with Hideout TV. It's free. Just set up the account. It's gonna go right through your InstaGc. It's gonna connect. So let this run, and the Hideout TV is gonna give you points that you could transfer to your InstaGc. So you let this run as much as you can all day. Same thing with Hypermix. If you come to Hypermix, first thing and like when I do these tutorials, I'm just going off of how you know what I'm saying? What I know. I'm not going off of anything else. I'm going off of what I know. All right. Now, Hypermix, usually these offers are going to be gone. So I would check these out in the morning first. Check Hypermix. What's Hypermix? Hypermix is the same thing. It's just like a video platform. You just literally press play and they'll just play like hundreds of videos available. They'll play hundreds of videos and you'll just keep earning while the videos are just playing. All right. So you want to do this immediately before all the members take this up. Then you put this up into another window. So you're gonna have two windows open, one with your watch videos ads right here, right, on your InstaGc. Another window you're gonna have with Hideout TV. So they got two windows open, and then you're gonna open a third window. Now your third window you're gonna open up is you're gonna be doing surveys and offers and whatever you got to do. Tasks. They got tasks. Sometimes they tell you to go to different websites, stay there for 1 minute, or then go to this website, stay for 10 seconds, go to this, or sometimes they'll be like, read this article and answer these questions. You see what I'm saying? Like stuff like that. So it's so many different things you can do. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight to surveys here. Now, you can do so many things. Do clicks. You can just click. Now, I'm just going to take you where the money's at. All right, people. So it's up to you after this. I'm going to take you exactly where the money at. Here's where the money's at. Your surveys. You have to, like, when I say, like, go crazy with these, They're 80-cent surveys, 80 cents. So if you used to do 10 of them, it's $8 a day already. If you just do 10 a day, 10 surveys, all you gotta do is answer questions. So easy. Like 80 cents a pop. And sometimes they'll have promotional where they'll give you 15% more, 15% more increase, or 20% more increase sometimes. So go to your surveys first. Don't worry about none of this yet. Now, when you go to your surveys, if you start doing the surveys and you start getting disqualified, you have to learn how to do the surveys, right? Now, go watch my Learn How to Do Surveys video, right? Watch my other videos where you never get disqualified videos, right? Watch those videos so I show you exactly how to do a survey, right? I tell you what to put in different criterias, all right? Like as far as when they ask you how much do you make in your household, just put around 80,000, 100,000. I know you might not, but just put it anyway because they're gonna want to know if you spend money. Like, you know what I'm saying? If you put, I only make $20,000 a year, they're gonna be like, oh, this person has no money to spend nothing. They're only gonna pay their bills. So why would I send this person a lot of different surveys about a whole bunch of different products that they probably didn't even experience because they only make $20,000 a year? See what I'm saying? So you gotta kind of break it down, all right? So always put that. Always put that you work in some type of you don't want to work in anything that has to do with surveys. All right. So like as your job title, you don't want to put that that you work at like Nike or Puma, or you work at like, you know what I'm saying, a big brand or something, because these brands are putting these surveys out for you guys to answer. So you can't work for the brand that they're putting out, right? So they're gonna ask you something like, do you ever work for survey providers or something like that? You can, like, you know what I'm saying, act like you don't know anything. When they do ask for your job performance, any other job, as long as it's not like production or manufacturing job, like, oh, I manufacture for Tesla or something, you don't want to do that, because now Tesla might have survey that they want to send you and it might not fit your bracket. All right, so just put something simple as far as your work job. All right, most people don't work like that anyway, because those are like higher paid jobs, like really manufacturing and really being on the front line of these big brands. But just put that you do something right, like, you know what I'm saying? Don't put that you put manufacturing. Don't put that you work on like I think it's like telemarketing or something like that. Something where you call people and you're asking for info about different products and stuff like that. I forgot what's that called. It might be telemarketing. I don't know, but like that. So different jobs like that. You'll kind of know, because when the survey comes to you, you have to read the survey and understand what they're trying to ask you. You know what I'm saying? You can't just answer anything. Never just guess when you're doing your surveys. All right. This is where the real money's at. This is like 80 cents a pop. All right. Samplicious. This is where the money's at. It's like 70 cents a pop. Opinion Network, same thing, 50 cents a pop, 40 cents a pop. They all range. Say So Rewards, all right? This is why I don't show you everything, because this is all I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And I'm going to tell you about Tap Research. Tap Research, you're just doing surveys. They call it Tap Research because you're answering questions, and you're going through different, basically, like they'll ask you which bottle do you like, plastic or glass? What color do you like, pink or red? Right? They won't give you a whole bunch of, they'll just tell you pick either pink or red. Now you're like, well, I don't like both colors, but so what? Just pick one. You know what I'm saying? Like, they'll do stuff like that. But it's called Tap Research because all you're doing is tapping. Like, you're clicking, you just tap. The question is so fast. What do you like, plastic or glass? You'll pick glass. What do I like, pink or red? Red. What do I like, what you rather have in the store? Air conditioning stores where it's nice and cool, or just regular fans in the store? Like, they'll actually random stuff, and you'll be like, oh, okay. So you just have to start answering these questions, right? Like, it's just so simple. It's Tap Research. All you're doing is tapping. So you're finishing so fast, all right? My bad, people, just rambling, trying to get you guys to the surveys, to where to make the money first. Now let's go into the cash out. All right. So right here now, after you do that and start earning, then you come in these different categories, and you see, you come into these different categories, and you where are we at? Other rewards. You go in these different categories and you try to earn more, because you have a different demographics than me. So you might get, you know what I'm saying? It might be different from you than mine. All right. Now you see my PayPal, my payment right here. I'm gonna go to PayPal right here, and I think that's free for the month. I don't think I cashed out this month. Yeah, I'm free for the month. So I'm gonna type in everything that says right here, 4463. So it's $44.63. All right. I'm gonna redeem this. It says okay. I might have to put some info in. I might have to put some personal info in. Let's see what happens here. All right. So now this is what I'm gonna have to do. When this happens, is because I haven't cashed out in a while, and I'm cashing out a lot. All I have to do is go to support and email them, and they're going to open your account and you can cash out. All right? So free online money maker. Peace.